In this video, we do some drifting with the unlimited desert racer. Oh, and break it. Oh! Do you want to get rich quick? Then buy a lottery ticket and hope for the best. If you want to get rich for sure, you have to provide either a product or service of value. I've spent the past 10 years of my life trying many different ways of making money online. And by far, the quickest and easiest way that I have found is by selling on eBay. I make over $100,000 every single year by selling simple items like this. And I've helped hundreds of people make thousands of dollars every single month. So if you want more money so you can buy more toys, buy a nice house, or quit that dreaded 9 till 5, then click the link down below and I'll show you how. Uh-oh, front end's looking a bit mangled. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, no. Oh my God. These RPM arms on the rear here are holding up perfectly, but these arms still bend. And I'm going to leave them like that because they're easy to straighten. You just push it down like that. Bit of a noisy ESC fan and we're back in action. Alright, here we go. Look at that UDR, you can just drift it for days. Check it out, look at that. Alright, so we've got a sand pit over there. What needs quite a lot of speed if you want to try and clear it. It might break, but we're going to try it anyway. Alright, this is probably going to kill it. Oh! Oh my God, straight on the chassis. Is it broken? Oh, killed it. Oh, guys, look. Oh, she's leaning as well. Oh, no, look. Oh, no, it's all poorly. Oh, roll bar flick round. And that one flick round.
Oh, God,
alright, is it going to work? Oh, we got two-wheel drive. It's hard to drive on two-wheel drive, but it still works. Alright, let's get a little bit of slow motion for you guys. Look at that two-wheel drive, the rear wheel to slip. Man, the UDR just sounds so good. Oh, the rear tyres on this thing are bald. There we go, flat out, two-wheel drive. Here we go, here we go. Oh, she still flies. Oh no, guys, it stopped moving. All right, what's happened?
Oh. Got a circuit there.
It's still making the UDR noise, but it's not. Oh, here we go. Pop shafts off. Oh, there's all metal in there. Oh,